Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Luina Mutiga. Karibuni sana. So today we have another interesting vlog. Still on the farming series. Today we are going to look at how to plant bananas. How do you plant your banana plants so that at the end of the day you will harvest some bananas that you can eat either as fruit or that you can cook. Okay? So to start with, it's how you prepare your soil. I have my notebook over here. I want to give you a systematic guide so that you don't miss out on any process and so that you can get the expected output that you require as a farmer. First of all, you can do banana farming as for commercial use or for home use. It all depends with you and depends with what you want to do. Okay, now let's start with soil preparation. For your soil preparation, the first thing that you do is you dig holes that are 60 centimeters deep, that are 60 centimeters wide, and that are 60 centimeters long. Okay, I think that is quite a simple instruction. Number two, you add to the hole that you have digged is where you add composts and manure to fill the holes. It does. So I don't know how many banana plants you want to plant, but in my mind I'm thinking of you not planting only one stem. Okay, I think you have many holes that you want to plant. So for all the entire holes, you dig a hole that is 60 centimeters wide, 60 centimeters deep, 60 centimeters wide. Okay, on those holes, it's where now you add in the compost and the manure in the hole until it is almost full. After that, you mix 200 grams of phosphate fertilizer with the manure in the hole. The already manure that you've put in your hole, you add 200 grams of phosphate fertilizer. They really help you in your plant growth. And after that, after you've mixed them, you on top of it is where you put leftover from crops. How you add in your crop leftovers. It's that simple, guys. Now on to preparing the suckers that you plant. The suckers are the small banana plants that grow beside the already existing big banana plants, or the already planted banana plants that have already grown. By their side, there are those small banana plants that grow. Those are what they are. That is what is called suckers, or those are suckers. Okay, now take suckers from a banana plant that are 3 to 6 years old. The suckers of the plant that is 3 to 6 years old, that is where you get your suckers from. Okay, after you get the suckers, you let the suckers dry in the shade for 3 to 4 days, not in the sun. No, you let the suckers dry in the shade for 3 to 4 days. After that, you trim the suckers to 50 centimeters from the base and dip them into mix water mixed with the potassium manganate. Make sure after you've cut the 50 centimeters from the base, mix water with potassium permanganate. Then you dip in whatever after you have cut the 50 centimeters, you dip those suckers into that water, and then you remove them. It's that simple. After that, it is the planting process of the suckers. Plant the suckers upright in the hole with the growing tip above the ground. Where they are sprouting from, the leaves, where the leaves are sprouting from, should be above the ground. Okay, and you plant them upright like this. Yeah, that is how you plant them. Let the parts with the roots be in the ground after you've trimmed them, and now the sprouting part, let it be above the ground. After that, press the soil around the suckers, to avoid air spaces in that hole that you dug. After you mixed your manure with your phosphate fertilizer, After now you have planted the suckers, around the suckers you make sure you step, mostly you step with your foot, you hardly step around that suckers, and let's ensure all the soil that after you get that depth, because when you step the soil will sink a little bit. After that you step until the soil cannot go down anymore. That is in order to avoid having some air spaces. After that is now when you water your the hole, add in some little water, not so much water. You water the round the suckers that you've planted. After that now you can choose, you do not cover, you do not return the soil, it's upon you. You can return the soil that you had removed from the hole, or you can let it stay like that. After that make sure you grow some you can grow some bamboo trees around it so that it will act as shade once they grow. Or there are some long big wooden stick that are used to support the banana plant once it grows. We support our banana plant so that they do not fall down when there is a lot of wind during the windy season. That is why you have to support your banana plant after they have grown. Okay, and with that, I hope you all have learned something, and I wish you the very best in your banana plantation. And I know it will give the expected results or the much profit that you need as a farmer. And till we meet in the next one, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, hit that notification bell so that each and every time I'll be uploading, you will be notified. Bye bye.